Radha Krishna. Welcome to Gita Essence with Deepak.
Today in this video we are going to see different types of conches blown by the Pandavas.
Panchanjanyam Hrishikesho Devadattam Dhananjayah Poundram Dadmau Mahashankham Bhima Vrihodaraha.
Here Lord Krishna is referred as Hrishikesha, which means he is the owner of all the senses and he has the power to control the senses directly. Here on the battlefield, Krishna directly controls the transcendental senses of Arjuna and directs him throughout the war. Krishna has different names according to his different actions. Like, he is called as Madhusudana as he killed a demon called Madhu, and he is called as Govinda as he gives pleasure to the cows and take care of them, and he is called as Vasudeva as he is the son of Vasudeva, and he is called as Devaki Nandana, Yashoda Nandana as he accepted them as his mother, and he is called as Parthasarathi as he is the charioteer of Arjuna, and in the similar way he is called as Hrishikesha, which means here he controls the senses of Arjuna directly and he directs him throughout the war, battlefield of Kurukshetra. Similarly, Arjuna is called as Dhananjaya as he helped his elder brother in fetching a lot of wealth when it is needed to make a lot of sacrifices. And Bhima is called as Vrihodara as he could eat voraciously and could perform Herculean tasks like killing such a demon called as Hidimba and few lot of other demons. The particular type of conches blown by the different personalities on the Pandava side, which encouraged the fighting soldiers. On the other side, there was no such credits, neither the Lord Krishna nor the goddess of fortune. They were predestined to lose the war. That's what the message announced by the sounds of those conches blown by the Pandavas. Thank you all for your patience to hear those things, and we'll meet you in the next shloka. Radha Krishna.